Hello everyone, this is Imran. Thanks for watching my channel Connect with Imran. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to use the menu button to show only the page that you want to show on the menu. For example, if I am going to a page like, for example, a privacy policy, so I want to show just the menu on the privacy policy. What happens is that whenever you are on a page like a home page, so what happens is every other menu is showing up. So sometimes you don't want to do that. For example, I'm on a home page, I'm showing all these menus. And for example, if I go to this menu, then only this menu is showing up. So how do you do that? No surprises. There's also a plugin for this one. And this plugin, I can show you how to install it. And it's very easy. So if you are on the dashboard, what you do is go to plugins and add new plugin. So once you are on the add new plugin, you have to type conditional menus. So this is a type of plugin that allows you to put some conditions on a specific menu or specific page that you want to show. So just download this and activate it. As you can see, I've already downloaded it and it is active. So once you have done that, then what you need to do is come to your menu sections under appearance and go to menus. And once you are under the menu section, you can see that menu 1 is usually the primary navigation. As you can see, these are the three sections on the menu that will show up, and they are showing up here. For example, I want to promote this page separately, so I don't want people to see other menus and I don't want people to get distracted by the menu. So what I do is I want to show them just this menu on the page, nothing else. So how do you achieve that? What you need to do once your conditional menu plugin is there, assign a menu for this one. For example, create a menu and make it a name, for example, menu X. Create it. I've already created a menu for them, and what you need to do, assign that page to this menu. So for example, I have already created this menu. Let me show you. It is menu number 6, I guess. So this is the menu I have already created. Now what I need to do, once I have created a separate menu for this one, for this page, it's very important that you create a separate menu for whatever page you want, so that you can do the conditional function. So once you come into manage locations, your primary menu comes here. Then what happens, since you have that plugin, so these options come in also. So what you do, select that plugin. For example, it was menu 6, and you click on what conditions should it have if a menu 6 is selected. When menu 6 means if a tab or a click is made on a menu section of your page. So what happens to that condition? If that menu is selected, then as you can see, there are different categories and what condition you want to achieve. Our condition is simple. We want to show that same menu in the page, on that page only. So I just want to show only that menu on the page. So I just click that one and I save it, and I save the changes together. So what happens is, if I'm on a home page, I just go on this menu. So as you can see, that condition has been met. Only that menu on the same page is showing up, nothing else. The primary menu is gone. So in this way, you can achieve the desired result that you want to appear on your page or post that you want to just show that post title. So I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you like this, please leave a comment and let me know if there's anything else. Definitely there are other types of plugins or HTML codes that you can add, but this is one of the easy ones I use and it is really helpful. So thanks for watching and please share it if you like it. Thank you.